Welcome to this detailed review of the Perixx PERIBOARD-512B wired ergonomic keyboard. Today, we are diving into the world of ergonomic computing to see how this split keyboard can transform your typing experience. Designed with both comfort and efficiency in mind, this keyboard aims to support users in maintaining natural arm and hand positions during extended work sessions. The PERIBOARD-512B features an innovative ergonomic design with split and 3D contours that align with your body's natural posture. This thoughtful design is complemented by an integrated palm rest that supports your wrists in a naturally relaxed position, potentially reducing wrist fatigue and discomfort. The tactile keystrokes are engineered to minimize the pressure on each press, offering a smooth and responsive feel that is crucial for a fluid typing experience during long hours at the computer. The plug-and-play feature makes installation extremely straightforward. With a simple USB connection and a 6-foot cable, you can connect the keyboard to your computer without any complicated setup. The inclusion of 7 multimedia hotkeys adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing quick access to essential media functions such as volume control and playback. This is a welcome addition for anyone who multitasks or adjusts media settings frequently while working. In real-life scenarios, many users will appreciate the keyboard's ergonomic split design, even if it takes some time to adjust to the new layout compared to traditional desktop keyboards. Some might require a few days or even weeks to fully acclimate to the unique positioning of the keys, but once adjusted, the benefits of reduced strain and increased comfort become apparent. Additionally, the tactile feedback further enhances the overall typing experience, making everyday tasks more enjoyable and less fatiguing. While the keyboard excels in comfort and ease of use, it is not without its minor drawbacks. The learning curve associated with adapting to the split layout may frustrate some users at first, especially if they are accustomed to conventional keyboards. Furthermore, the design might not be ideal for those with very limited desk space due to its larger profile. However, when compared with similar products in the market, the PERIBOARD-512B stands out due to its balanced combination of ergonomic design, ease of connectivity, and tactile responsiveness. For users getting started, our tips include giving yourself ample time to adjust to the keyboard layout. Practice regularly by typing and exploring the multimedia functions to ensure a smooth transition. If you experience discomfort initially, consider using ergonomic accessories or adjusting your seating arrangement to complement the keyboard's design. In summary, the Perixx PERIBOARD-512B is an impressive choice for anyone looking to reduce wrist and arm strain while still enjoying a responsive and tactile typing experience. It is particularly recommended for professionals, writers, and gamers who spend long hours at the keyboard. Thank you for watching.